Hello mga ka-wisdom! Welcome to Wisdom is Power Channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like, mag-comment at i-share ang video ito. Click mo na rin ang notification bell to receive more wisdom videos na katulad nito. Salamat! Today we're going to discuss the part 3 of our lecture in factoring. So again, the difference between multiplication and factoring. Sa multiplication, given natin yung multiplicand and multiplier natin. So, ang hinahanap natin sa multiplication ay yung product. While sa factoring, given yung product, hahanapin naman natin yung multiplicand and multiplier o tinatawag natin itong factors. So, there are many ways para makapag-factor tayo, no? So, una, yung common monomial factor using the greatest common factor. So, say for example, we have the expression 6x cubed plus 9x squared. So, our factors will be 3x squared multiplied by 2x plus 3. So, another way, halimbawa, ang ating given ay difference of two squares. Para ma-factor yan, gagamitan natin ng product of sum and difference. So, 16x squared minus 25. So, kukunin lang natin yung first term at second term. So, square root ng 16 is 4 at square root ng 25 ay 5. So, 4 at 5 ang gagamitin natin. So, isang 4x plus 5 at isang 4x minus 5. So, that is the product of sum and difference. So, kung ang ipapactor naman natin ay perfect square trinomial or tinatawag natin PST, ano? Yung expression natin ay nasa ganitong format sa perfect square trinomial, pwede natin siyang i-factor o factorable pa rin yung ating expression. So, halimbawa, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is a perfect square trinomial. So, kapag naka-encounter tayo ng perfect square trinomial, ginagamitan natin ng square of a sum. No? So, ibig sabihin, square nung sum. So, that is equals to the square of a plus b. So, kung ang perfect square trinomial naman na given ay nasa format na a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, so mapapansin natin minus yung nasa gitnang term. So, minus 2ab plus b squared. Para ma-factor yan, ginagamitan natin siya ng square of a difference. Ibig sabihin, square nung a minus b. So, the square of a difference. So let's find the factors of the expression x squared plus 12x plus 36. So sabi natin square of a sum. So kailangan ang multiplier natin tsaka multiplicand ay ang operator natin ay addition because this is a sum. So yung first term natin x squared. So para makakuha tayo ng x squared, ang mga factors natin dyan x multiply by x. So x and x, no? Then, kunin natin yung square root ng last term, which is 36 square root. So, that is, hanap tayo ng numbers na pag pinag-multiply natin sa kanilang sarili ay 36 ang lalabas. Of course, 6 lang yon, ano? So, 6. So, our answer will be x plus 6 to be squared. Dahil x plus 6 times x plus 6. So, another way to express that is the square of x plus 6. That's why we call this square of a sum. So let's have another example. So a squared plus 6a plus 9. So again, kunin natin yung mga factors. So a squared is, the factor of a squared is a and another a. So a plus, then multiply natin sa a again, no? Then 9. So the factors of 9, pag in-square root natin yan is 3. So our answer is a plus 3 multiplied by a plus 3. So simplifying that, that will be a plus 3. This should be a plus 3, not x plus 3. Okay? Next, problem number 3, 9x squared plus 54x plus 81. So again, so kukunin natin yung square root ng 9x squared. So that will be 3x. Then, kunin natin yung square root ng 81. So, that is 9. So, our product will be, or our factors will be the square of 3x plus 9. So, find the factors of the following expressions. So, number 4. So, ang ating first term ay 4m squared at ang ating last term ay 16. So, kukunin lang natin ang kanilang mga square root, no? So, that is 2m plus 4 squared. So, number 5, 25 at 49. So, obviously, isang 5 at isang 7. So, the answer will be the square of 5r plus 7. So, sa number 6, 81 and 64. So, for 81, that is 9. Sa 64 ay 8. So, 9 and 8 ang gagamitin natin. So, the square of 9b plus 8. For number 7, 9a squared and 25b squared. So, 9 ay 3 at ang 25 ang square root ng 25 ay 5. So, 3 at 5. So, that will be 3a plus 5b and the square of 3a plus 5b. For number 8, 16r squared at saka yung 16s squared. So, isang 4 at isang 6. Okay, so 4r plus 6s to be squared, no? Or the square of 4r plus 6s. Another perfect square trinomial ay yung minus ang gitna, no? A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So, ang factors natin is the square of their difference. So, square of I minus B. So, find the factors of the expression x squared minus 12x plus 36. So, kukunin natin yung factors. So, again, the first term is x squared. So, dalawang x. The last term is 36. So, dalawang 6. So, ibig sabihin, the square of x minus 6 ang ating sagot. Practice problem number 2. A squared minus 6a plus 9. So again, so a squared, yung first term natin. So the factors of a squared is a multiplied by a. And the factors of 9 is 3 times 3. So our answer is the square of a minus 3. Practice problem number 3. So the first term is b squared. So the factors of b squared is b and b. Then the factors of 49 is 7 and 7. So our answer will be the square of b minus 7. So let's find the factors of the following expressions. Number 1, so x squared minus 8x plus 16. So ang titingnan lang natin yung first and last. So x squared saka 16. So x saka 4. So since tayo is square of a difference, so minus yung gagamitin natin. So this is the square of x minus 4. So for problem number 2, so 8 saka 25. So isang a at isang 5. So a minus 5b to be squared or the square of a minus 5b. Number 3, 16 and 49. So that is 4 at 7. So 4y minus 7 squared or the square of 4y minus 7. So number 4 is 5 and 6. So ibig sabihin yan yung gagamitin nating mga factors. So 5x minus 6 to be squared. Then number 5 is 4 and 64. So yan ay 2 and 8. So 2x minus 8y to be squared. So that's all mga ka-wisdom. Again, kung bago pa lang sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like, comment, at share ang video ito. Click mo na rin ang notification bell to receive more wisdom videos na katulad nito. Salamat!